How to drive a screw on a DeWALT cordless drill. Now first, you want to take out any attachments. Then, you want to get a screw bit like this, a screwdriver bit, and your screw. And you want to make sure, let's move the drill out of the way, that it fits in snug, like that. So get the correct size screwdriver bit for your screw. Then you can either add it straight to the chuck like this. However, if you're just starting out, this is all you might have, so tighten it up. However, what I do recommend is getting one of these DeWALT drill bit attachments. And it has this sleeve like this, what comes out, you can see, and this helps guide your screw. I'll show you how it works. So once we have our screw and our screwdriver bit, what matches perfectly, what you want to do, you want to add it to your drill, push over the drill guide. I'll just use a scrap piece of wood for this. What you then want to do is line up your screw, then start slowly, and once it's bit into the wood, you can then speed up. Obviously I'm using a scrap piece of wood, be careful with that. Drill it to as much as you want. See, we're well into the wood now, and you have driven a screw. Obviously yours won't be unattached, so your wood won't spin like that. However, that's how to easily drill a screw with a DeWALT cordless drill. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.